Technology issues might seem small until they're not. A slow network, a missing file, or a phishing email could quietly derail your productivity or even cost you serious money. The good news? Most IT problems are preventable. Let's start with cybersecurity. The average breach goes undetected for 194 days. That's 6 months of risk without even knowing it. So what's the fix? Strong passwords, regular monitoring, employee training, and frequent backups are a must. As Robert Shoemaker, CEO of Professional Computer Associates, says, when it comes to IT, prevention is always cheaper than the cure. Next, there's downtime and poor network performance. Slow systems drag down productivity and frustrate your team. Regular system updates, bandwidth checks, and network monitoring tools can help keep things running smoothly. Then there's data loss. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Automate backups, test them regularly, and lean on secure cloud storage whenever possible. Still waiting hours for IT help? Choose a provider with 24/7 support and clear communication so your team stays productive. And don't skip long-term planning. Regularly review your tech stack to avoid costly issues down the line. To learn more, check out our latest blog for a full guide, and make sure to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for easy access.